What's going on, everybody? Little guy coming at you here with a product review video on this Dragon Touch 10-inch tablet. Been using this tablet now for about 2 weeks, and I gotta say, this thing is pretty awesome, you know, for its price point. You know, when I saw the price point, I was like, okay, this is gonna be, you know, a slower, you know, running tablet, whatever, okay. And but I gotta tell you, I was blown away by the build quality of this thing and the fact that it was able to do things that a more affordable tablet cannot do. It's running one of the slower processors, you know, but this thing performs. You know, the score here on Geekbench, you know, 803 to some of the other ones running Snapdragon, you know, you're gonna be like, oh wow, this thing is slow. But here I am booting up a game that requires a lot of speed and a lot of graphics, and you're gonna see here that this thing performs just fine with one of these types of games. And the cool part about it is, you know, when you're out here on the road and you don't have a TV or a laptop or anything like that, you know, and you want something bigger than your phone to watch TV on, or Netflix or Hulu, this thing is going to be perfect for you. I mean, you can go out there and you could buy one of the Samsungs or an iPad, I mean, whatever you want to do, hey. But if you're, you know, if you're just getting into the industry, you know, and money is tight, you know, I remember how it was for me when I first started out, and you want something to watch TV on, but you don't have $700-800 or whatever it is to drop on an iPad, this thing's the way to go, okay? As you can see here, pulling up Google Maps, I have the phone tethered using the mobile hotspot from my phone, and, you know, we turned on the Wi-Fi on the tablet, and you can see that using Google Maps is not a problem. It's very responsive with the screen and everything. And, you know, usually, you know, with the, when you see an affordable tablet, you know, right off, you're like, oh, this is going to be slow, it's going to be glitchy, it's, you know, it's going to lag, whatever. But as you can see here, it's very responsive, and, you know, I mean, even in the satellite view, it's just, it's kicking butt. Usually, you know, with the slower ones, you'd have a problem with that loading at, you know, that far of a zoom. This thing's got two big stereo speakers on the bottom of it. It's also got the, you know, front-facing camera, so you could do Skype with your family and all that good stuff. USB-C charging, which is included, obviously, the wire and the plug. I'm gonna go ahead and pull up YouTube here real quick and play one of my videos to show you how quick and responsive the tablet is when it comes to streaming video. Like I said, we're using the phone's mobile hotspot to get the signal, you know, and I got like 2 or 3 bars on my phone right now sending the signal to the tablet. So the ad pulls up with no problem, obviously. We skip the ad, the video is popping up, no buffering. I'm gonna go to full screen. This thing's got awesome color. The screen's got an awesome color, you know, and I'm gonna scroll through the video here, and there's no buffering. It's quick, it's fast, you know. Like I said, for an affordable tablet, you can't go wrong. I'm gonna have the link in the description box for you guys. If this is gonna be for you, the link is gonna be in the description box. Make sure you leave a like, a comment, and stay tuned for a lot more videos and a lot more product reviews for things that truckers can use out here on the road that are affordable. But in my closing statements, this tablet takes a win for what we do out here, you know, with the front camera to do Skype, you know, Netflix, Hulu, whatever your, you know, YouTube, whatever your choice is to watch videos on. This thing is worth every penny, and you're not gonna go broke, you know, with this tablet. It's very affordable, and it's got a lot of bang in it. So let me know what you think.